In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for writing content using an easy method. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in content creation, this guide will walk you through the straightforward steps to harness the power of Claude AI for crafting your articles, essays, or blogs. Let's begin by setting the foundation. The first thing you'll need to do is give Claude your topic. Now don't stress about making your initial prompt absolutely perfect. Instead, focus on being clear and concise. For example, you might start with something like, I want to write an article about how to use AI for students. This straightforward approach will provide the AI with a solid starting point for understanding the context of your content. Remember, the simplicity of your first prompt leaves room for Claude to guide you toward more complex ideas. Moving on to the next step, you're going to ask Claude for ideas. This is an exciting phase because it allows you to explore different content possibilities. Ask Claude, give me 10 content ideas about AI tools for students. Make them useful for beginners. With this request, Claude will generate a variety of angles and topics related to your main idea, tailored to be accessible for those just starting out. Scan through the list of suggestions Claude provides. Each suggestion is a potential article that can cater to specific interests within your main topic. Examine them and select the one that resonates the most with the message you want to convey. At this point, you might have a few ideas in mind and some hesitancy about which direction to take. Feel free to experiment during this phase. One of the benefits of using Claude AI is its flexibility to adapt and give you suggestions based on what you've chosen or initially asked. As you wrap up selecting your idea, you've set the stage for a focused writing session with Claude's assistance. You've gone from a basic topic prompt to exploring a variety of content pathways, selecting the idea that fits best with your vision. This method not only saves time, but also opens up a creative avenue you might not have explored on your own. And there you have it. A simple, efficient method to kickstart your content creation process using Claude AI. This approach allows you to leverage technology to enhance your writing, making it a helpful ally in producing targeted, engaging content. Feel free to dive in, give it a try, and see how Claude can become an essential part of your writing toolkit. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide to using Claude AI clear and informative. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with using Claude AI, be sure to leave a comment below. Happy writing,